Hey, I'm Dr. Greeny. Thank you for joining me on EltaMD Skincare. I'm a skin doctor and I want to help you get your best skin. Today we're going to talk about 5 of the most common mistakes that people make with their skincare routines. I drop new videos every week, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you know when they drop. So let's get right into it. One of the most common problems I see is people using too many products. So maybe that Korean 15-step skincare routine is your thing, and if it is, keep up with it. But for a lot of people, they have trouble with allergy and irritation when they're using so many products. And when you incorporate so many products into your skincare routine, sometimes it's hard to identify what products aren't working for your skin. So while you're using a lot of great ingredients and great products, you may be doing something that's counterproductive. I recommend starting things slow, adding in a product maybe one every 3 weeks or so. Let your skin get used to it before adding in another product to your skincare routine. So the second thing I'm going to talk about is not using skin products long enough. So we've invested time and money in getting a good skincare routine, but if you're switching products so quickly, you'll never really see the benefit. Many of our skincare products do take about 2 or 3 months to see if they're really going to work for you. Some people will have some irritation or maybe a few little breakouts when they switch a product. It just takes a minute for your skin to get used to it and see if it's going to work for you. So make sure to give it time. This is particularly important with an acne routine, which may even take 3 months to see if it's making a difference for your skin. The third problem I see is people not applying their products in the right order. Now this is real important. We want to apply products generally thinnest to thickest. This allows the thinner products to go on the skin and absorb, and some of the thicker products that we apply to go on and make a nice protective barrier to help to drive those active serums and things into our skin. Now if you have been applying products in the wrong order, you may not be getting the greatest benefit from them. Because one, the products may not be getting into your skin if you're applying like a thick ointment and then applying serums or creams over the top of it, or you may not be sealing those in, a nice vitamin C or niacinamide serum, and then sealing it in with a good moisturizer to help drive it into the skin. Now the fourth one you may already know, but I don't want to lose you. I know it's boring, but a big mistake is not wearing sunscreen. Sunscreen is one of the cheapest and easiest things we can do cosmetically to reduce the chance of skin cancer and aging. It's so beneficial for so many things. Wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, it helps all of those things. It's cheap and easy. You got to do this. If you're going to wear a sunscreen, I recommend using an SPF 50 mineral-based sunscreen with zinc or titanium that's tinted. This is going to give you the best bang for your buck. It's going to be awesome. Number 5 is mixing products that shouldn't be mixed. So some of the most common offenders I see are people that are treating acne with benzoyl peroxide and tretinoin. Using those two together cancels them out. Another issue is people using direct acids along with tretinoin. Now the reason that this is bad is because both of them can irritate the skin, and this can make our skincare routine harder to tolerate. The final one is a little bit controversial, but using high potency vitamin C serums along with niacinamide. There's a chemical argument about vitamin C being kind of wimpy and it kind of canceling out or ruining the vitamin C. I personally think just use the vitamin C in the morning to get the photoprotective effects before your sunscreen and use your niacinamide at bedtime. And number 6 is a huge mistake, not trusting your dermatologist. We spent about a minimum 12 years going to school to learn about skin, to learn about scientific evidence and recommendations that work for people with skin problems. So if you're seeing a dermatologist, make sure you stick to their advice and don't switch things up too quick when you see something on social media. Ask them first. So I hope this has helped you. If it has, please subscribe and click the bell so you know when new videos drop. Next week, I'm going to talk about how to layer products. So remember the tips. You want to not use too many products. You don't want to mix products that shouldn't be mixed. We want to wear our sunscreen. We got to trust our dermatologist. And we got to use our products long enough to see a difference. So we'll see you next week. Thanks so much.